Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in the C63 AMG. Let's see if we can make it to the dealership, because that's where we need to go. The check engine light is on. I have no idea what it is. We got to scan it first, so we're gonna go get it scanned. I really hope that it can make it, because this is very strange. I have no idea. Crazy. 199,000 kilometers. The car is running. It's not the engine, it's the transmission. So let's put it into gear and hopefully this thing will actually make it. Pray for me, guys. I'm praying right now, that's for sure. That's a good coffee. All right, so into drive. Okay, we have drive, we're good. The car still rolls. Now, the question is it gonna make it? Is it gonna make it for the next 22 hours? That is the question. Because we gotta bring it to Mercedes-Benz tomorrow, but first we actually have to make it there. We can't just give up on this. Not yet. We don't give up on something that can be fixed. Stuff's falling, but it's all good. I'm pretty sure this car will make it. I know it can. It hasn't ever failed me in a horrible way before. So let's find out. But yeah, so let me kind of give you guys a little bit of a situation of what's going on. It's been good, but a couple days ago the car was just like, it was literally ready to like be done. It was like hard to describe. Like when I was driving, anytime I was at a stoplight, it would like rev up but not engage. Like it was in second. Oh, sometimes even like in the display where you see like, you know, second gear, 18 kilometers per hour, blah blah blah. Occasionally when you're like sitting at a red light and the green light comes on, all of a sudden the car goes from like second gear or whatever to just blank. So it like just there's no gear. And I was like, oh shit, I can't even move. Like, what am I gonna do? So the car literally like doesn't even go forward. It's kind of crazy. It was really scary, because I'm like, I'm not going nowhere right now. This is done. So what I would do is I would shut off the car. I put it in park, shut it off, open the door to give it like a little soft reset, and I turn it back on, and all of a sudden it's got gear. So I was like, wait a minute, this is pretty much confirmation that like mechanically it's still okay. It's just this electrical electro-hydraulic control unit, like the valve body or conductor plate. That's what it is. Mechanically it's still fine. That's all we have to replace. And it kind of makes sense, you know. If it was mechanical, you turn it off and you turn it back on, you'd still have the same problem. It would just bleh, it wouldn't drive. But you hear that sound like good? That's been from that. It's this torque converter lockup clutch regulating valve. So that valve is not working properly, and it's like it's sending the wrong fluid pressure and signal to the torque converter, so it's going dunk. It's clunking in gear and out of gear. So that's the problem. But now I'm pretty certain we've got it figured out, and it looks like we're gonna try to get them to replace this this component. I have no idea how that's gonna work, if we're gonna be successful or not. But at the end of the day, we have to get this fixed. There's just no other way. Because what's the point? What, get rid of the car or whatever, or sell it or trade it in? Why? It doesn't make sense. What am I gonna get? Another one? No, there's no point. Would I buy a different car, like a, I don't know, E63S or a Tesla or like even a McLaren? No, there's no point. It's just like, yeah, it's just a car, but at the same time, it is a car. So I'd rather just enjoy it and fix it, and just keep driving it, because I know this car. I know what will fail and what won't fail. So why go from one problem to another problem when this is like your problem? You know what I mean? I don't know, whatever. This is just how I think. Oh, there you go. See? It just did it now. Like I pressed the gas and it's like, and it doesn't want to go forward. So It might fail right now. Hopefully not. It's a little bit worrisome because we have about like a 10-15 minute drive and it's on its last legs. Like it wants to go, but at the same time it doesn't want to go. It's very weird. Like if it starts to happen again, I'll shut up and you guys will listen to it of how it like revs up but doesn't want to go forward. Sometimes like oh, there we go. So see, I can't catch it now on the camera, but literally just goes out of gear. There, I'm revving it up now. I have no gear. You heard that? So see, I'm like revving it up and I have no gear. There, I'm in 4th gear. Oof. This car is not happy right now. You guys hear that? That's what's happening. It's like, it's not good. And I really hope that we make it. There, I'm in 6th gear and it's like, it wants to go, but it doesn't want to go at the same time. I need to drive. Like, everybody needs to get out of the way. We're trying to make it. We're trying to make it. It's a little weird. Like, we're not going to run red lights or anything like that or anything crazy, but we really need to get there, forward. We need to go forward. We can't get stuck. If we get stuck, this is going to be really bad. But it still drives. Hopefully we make it. I don't know. This is stressful. This is really stressful. Oh my. There. Dunk. Keeps doing it. I just really hope that it doesn't all of a sudden like just fail and blow up, because if it does, oh my, that's not going to be good. That's not going to be good at all. We don't need that. We really don't need that. I'm going to set the time because daylight savings time was just completed. Oh, there we go. See, we're not moving again. Oh, see, there, it barely wanted to go into gear. I was like not moving at all. I had like 4 horsepower. We're in 5th gear right now. We're like revving it. We're trying to make it. I really hope we make it. I think we can make it. 6th gear. Oh, it's like revving up to like 3,000, 4,000 RPM just to get into gear. And we're being super gentle with it. We're about to go up a hill, so I don't even know if this is gonna make it. I really hope it does. Oh my God, this is like horrible. Definitely not the most ideal situation, but we have to go this way to avoid traffic and avoid cars. Oh my gosh, do you guys hear that? Like, I'm going 20 kilometers an hour up a hill. We have like no power pretty much. This is not good. Really hope we make it. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me grab the camera and show you guys what's happening. Like it barely goes. Like, see? I pretty much have, like, it barely wants to go. That's it. I think we might actually just die right here. We have nobody behind us. There, disappeared. Okay, now we're in 1st gear, so let's turn it off. Oh, did we actually just die? Hold on. We are not gonna die right here. We're gonna keep going. Come on, car, you can make it. You can make it. Let's go. 2nd gear. And now we're driving. What? Now we're going. What is this? This is crazy. Like, oh my gosh. So something is definitely wrong, like with the electrical, that's for sure. Because look, I just restart the car and it just goes. Oh my God. Okay, Mercedes-Benz Etobicoke. They're not gonna watch this video, but whatever. There's an electrical problem with this electro-hydraulic control unit, the valve body. 100%. 100%. I don't know if it's defective part, if it was installed incorrectly, but there's definitely something wrong. And I'm sorry, but this is literally not acceptable. This is not good. Hold on. Like, these are the bolts that we found inside the transmission when we were doing the service. If I could find them. It's these bolts right here. These two. Here. Wait, I just turned. These two bolts right here we found inside of the transmission when we were doing a service on it a couple of months ago. And that basically says that something was not done correctly. There's something, like, either bolts were missed and not put in, or they were put in but the old ones were not taken out. But still, it just shows that, like, a sloppy job was done. And that's the problem. If this wasn't done properly, what else wasn't done properly? This is a problem. And this is about to be a problem right now, because now we're back in traffic, and the car better go forward. Oh, I really hope it makes it. Oh, it's kicking really, really hard. It just, like, almost doesn't want to go. Anyways, I'm gonna go in the right lane. Anyways, I'm gonna pause this video, and hopefully I can make it. Oh, not good, guys. Not good. Not good. Not good. It's definitely the pressure regulating valve, that's for sure. I really hope it makes it. Now it's like kicking and like, like it wants to go into gear, but at the same time it doesn't want to go into gear. I hope this doesn't kill the torque converter, because if it does, or the wet clutch, because if it does, again, not good. Not good, guys. Hopefully we make it. Can we make it? Let's see. Maybe once we at least get to here, we can at least clear all the codes. Maybe everything's gonna be fine for at least to make the drive tomorrow. Because it's not easy. This is very far. But yeah, hopefully we don't die. Well, the car doesn't die. I won't die, but the car might die. And even if it does, we're pretty close. I think we'll be fine. We'll make it. Worst case scenario. All right, guys. I'm gonna cut the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we make it. Hopefully. I really hope so. Let's find out. Peace.